Weight loss medications like Semaglutide and Tirzepatide, they are more efficient compared to the earlier medications. Can these medications make bariatric and metabolic surgeries disappear? Obesity is a complex problem. Hundreds of hormones and thousands of genes are controlling total energy balance and total body fat mass. Semaglutide, which is WEGOVY, Ozempic or Rybelsus, acts like a single hormone GLP-1. Average total body weight loss with semaglutide is 10 to 15%. Tirzepatide, which is ZEPBOUND or MOUNJARO, acts like two hormones GLP-1 and GIP. Average total body weight loss with Tirzepatide is 15 to 20%. One more new medication is coming, Retatrutide. It acts like GLP-1, GIP and Glucagon. Average total body weight loss with Retatrutide is 17 to 24%. On the other hand, bariatric and metabolic surgeries alter more than 200 hormones and more than 5,000 genes, leading to long-lasting weight loss and long-term type 2 diabetes remission. Average total body weight loss with bariatric and metabolic surgeries can be more than 40%. Once you achieve desired weight with weight loss medications, in order to maintain that lost weight, majority of the people need to continue these medications for life, while bariatric surgery is done only once. Side effects of using these medications on long-term basis is yet unknown. Long-term data is available on the safety and efficacy of bariatric and metabolic surgeries. Cost of bariatric and metabolic surgeries may appear more, but compared to the cost of using these medications on long-term basis, bariatric surgeries are a lot cheaper. Having said all this, lifestyle modifications, medications and bariatric metabolic surgeries are complementary to each other. They are not competitors. As of now, there is no single medication which can act on more than 200 hormones and more than 5,000 genes and replicate all the effects of bariatric and metabolic surgeries. Medications cannot replace bariatric and metabolic surgeries either now or in near future.